Hello friends, Sam here. So today what we will see that many a times we have to share our projects to other people. So how to share our projects which are developed in Anypoint Studio with other people using deployable jar file. So firstly, develop your project in Anypoint Studio. So this is my project which is developed in Anypoint Studio, and this project name, let me take any project for that matter. Let's say I take this Hello World app. Let me take that. Okay, let me open that. So any project you can do. I'm just taking other project. Okay, so you can see that I'm taking some query parameters and I'm displaying the welcome message and displaying the incoming payload and everything. Okay, so this is my full-fledged project. What do you do? Firstly, generate jar, deployable jar for this project. So let me right click on my project. So this is my project. Right click on that and say export. Select export option, and in that you need to select, there are many folders like general, install, Java, Mule and so on. Go to Mule folder. Okay, and inside that Mule folder we do have the option Anypoint Studio project to Mule deployable archive. So that is what deployable jar. So let us say next, and just give the location where you want to save that. Maybe let me save that in downloads folder. So let me get into downloads and let me give the name of the jar file. Let's say hello world app.jar. Let us say save and let me say finish. So inside my downloads folder, I do have my hello world app. Okay, so that's what is there. Let me wait. So it will package the whole application and it will generate jar file out of that, which is called as deployable jar file. This same jar file is used to deploy it on some runtime environment or on Cloud Hub kind of server. So that is what the jar file is. So you can see that it has generated the jar file. Excellent. So say okay. Let us verify once that whether my jar file is created or not. So let me go to File Explorer. Let me go to downloads. So let me go to downloads. Yes, this Hello World app is there. Now you have to send this jar file to other people. So sometime if you send this over Gmail or any other official email address, then this jar file is the library and source related to Java. So most of the time, due to security policy and all, that file might be blocked. So what I will do, I will share that by means of Google Drive. So I do have my Google Drive open over here. I will just upload that file over here. So I just go to my Google Drive and I'll upload this particular file here. So I say upload files and I say hello world app. This particular file, I double click and the file is getting uploaded. So you can see that my file is getting uploaded on Google Drive, and this Google Drive I will access on my other machine. So this is my machine 1. Now I want to show you machine 2. So I'm switching to machine 2 now. So I just, with the remote app, I just connected to machine 2. This is my another machine. You can see desktop 6V BDGLK. That is what the name of my other machine. So on this machine, this Anypoint Studio is already open. Firstly, I need to get the jar file on this machine. So I will open the Google Drive. So what I do, I just open my Google Drive over there. I just refresh that so that I should get that Hello World app file. You can see that hello world.jar file is already there. So you can download that. Let me download it. Yes, and that will be downloaded. Let's see. So you will see that yes, my hello world app.jar is getting downloaded in downloads folder of machine 2. I'm on machine 2 now. Okay, so I'm on machine 2 and this is the jar file which is appearing over there. Okay, that's what is there. Now this jar file I'll import in my Anypoint Studio. So import the project from jar. So let me go to machine 2. This is machine 2. I'll open my Anypoint Studio over there, and here I will say file, import. So you can see import option is there, and then import from, whether you want to import from file system or design center. No, I want to import from package mule application jar. So that is what is the option we have to select. Say next, and the jar file we have to browse for. So hello world app, this is what the jar file I do have. Let me click on finish. Once it is done, you can see your hello world app is already there without any error. You will see that hello world app over there. Okay, so let me just see that my hello world app, and it will have all my source file and everything. Let us check that. Let it be completely imported. Yes, you can see that the project got open and it was actually getting imported whenever I was trying to open that. So it is now completely imported and the project is open in front of you. You can see that my hello world app.xml is here. Okay, and now if you run this project, it will run without any project. So this is how you can share your project with other people using deployable jar file. Okay, there are other ways also to share the project with other people. Maybe in some other video we will talk about that. And I reiterate friend, recently I started free video series on Tibco, Mulesoft and Salesforce, and the idea is delivering one value power pack video once in a week right to your WhatsApp. So take the advantage. I'm giving registration link in the description. Go over and register over there. Okay, so thanks for watching this video friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.